Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring two stamp sets, one called Tasteful Textures and the other Very Versailles. I'm starting out with a piece of Whisper White regular stamping paper, and I am inking up my Scripty stamp with Stays On ink, and you saw me there, I just stamped off. So this is second generation stamping. There's nothing more sharp than inking up with Stays On ink with a red rubber stamp. I have to say, I wanted a softer look, but I didn't want gray. I wanted black. I think I just wanted a vintage black. So by stamping off, you can get that vintage black look. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for, well, inking up with Stays On ink for this medallion, but I'm doing it full strength. And again, I just really like the detail that you get with Stays On ink and red rubber stamps. So nice. All right, so this is the leaves image and full strength on these guys. They are kind of that distinctive stamp, so they come off, varied in color. And that's pretty much my stamping done, other than the sentiment, always thinking of you. And I'm putting Tombow Mono adhesive on the back of my Whisper White piece, and I'm adhering it to a black mat. And the one nice thing about using wet glue is that you can sort of wrestle your page in place to make sure that it is exactly equal for the border. This is Bermuda Bay, and I'm doing the same thing. Basically, I'm adhering that to the basic black card base. And again, wrestling it into place. Folding my card. And then I have this little strip of sentiment here. I snipped off the end, and I'm putting my little Whisper White sentiment piece onto a little black sentiment piece that's just slightly bigger. And then I'm going to snip off the ends so that it has a little point to it. So it's kind of different than a flag. All right, I have dimensionals on this piece, and then I'll put dimensionals on my sentiment as well. That's pretty much my card for today. There's no bling on this one. I'm just going to adhere this little strip and trim off the excess. So thank you so very much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.